Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to zoom on YouTube videos. To do this, you just need to go and open any YouTube video that you want.
عظمة تاريخها باسم عائلته لأكثر من
fingers, you need
5
to
عقود.
pinch. And as you can see,
فلن
I
نتوقع
zoomed on
الانتقال
that video.
السياسي أن
And
يكون
if
فيها
I need to
سلسا
zoom
جدا.
again, I can do it
القائد
again.
العام لإدارة
No
عمليات
problem
قوات
on that. And of course, you can pause the video also and zoom on it if there is a detail that you want to see. And like that, easily you can zoom on any YouTube video that you want. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and